Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and today we'll be cleaning my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500 with Griots Spray-On Car Wash. Plus we're going to put some air in the tires. So here's everything we need to clean the truck today. Just got this Griots Spray-On Car Wash, and it's actually pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and hit up the windows as well, the dashboard. I've got this Turtle Wax protectant, so I'm going to put this on the dash and on the door and all that. And then I bought this air compressor specifically just to air up my tires, because I hate going to the gas station to air up my tires. I like doing that at my own place, at my own pace. So after we wipe the truck down, we'll also go ahead and put air in these tires. I mean, I don't know if they look low to you, but they look a little low to me. The truck it sits around a lot, and it just seems like, I don't know, they're losing a little bit of air. So I want to check the tire pressure at the very least, and we may put a few pounds in it, so we'll see. As you can see, the truck, for what it is, it's a 1994 C 1500 with over 200,000 miles on it. For what this truck is, it's really, 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 really nice. I keep the paint in great condition. Maybe you watched the video where I use the Griots G9 Protect and Shine kit. I'll put the link down in the description below, as well as the link to the playlist. I've done a lot of videos on this truck, and honestly, I think the exterior, even though it's got a lot of scratches on it, looks nicer than the interior. The interior is not bad. It's not bad for an old truck. Like I said, it's got 210,000 miles on there. We got a little leak in the windshield. That's why I've got that towel down there. When it comes to doing these kinds of things, you know, whatever product you're using, it's fine. I happen to be using Griots. You could be using something else, Meguiar's, Mother's, whatever. I like to use a couple of towels. I like to use, for this, we're going to use this. We're going to spray the truck in sections, and we're going to use a wet towel where we wipe off the majority of it, and then we'll use another towel to go ahead and buff it to a nice shine. The Griots products are really nice. These are actually Griots towels. They're super thick. They're very, very nice. So let's get started. I think we'll start with the hood. Okay, so what I already did was I sprayed a liberal amount on half of the hood here, and I'm going to go ahead and use one towel, make it the wet towel, and I'm going to take off the majority of this. And then I'll use the other towel to get it and buff it to a nice sheen, and then we'll see what it looks like. Wow, look at that shine. That is a shine. This truck, guys, it's a beautiful old truck. It really is. There's the other side. You can see it does have some rain and some dusty drops on it. So, you know, we're using this spray-on car wash. It's supposed to do it. You don't have to, it's a waterless car wash. I wouldn't suggest using this stuff if your car is really, 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 really dirty, because you're going to probably scratch the paint. That's just me. So this, to me, it's like when you got a light rain, just a little bit of light dirt on there. I think this is the time to probably use a product like this. So let's go ahead and do the other side of the hood here. Okay, now here's the shine from that other side. It looks wonderful. The paint is in great condition. If you knew what this truck looked like before, and like I said, I put the link to the playlist down in the description below. Before this truck was this color, it was more of a pinkish color. So now that we've got the hood done, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do the front fender on this side. I'm going to do the front fender on that side, and yep, my brand new grill from LMC Truck and my new bumper from LMC Truck. I'm going to go ahead and clean those up. I'll spray a little bit of that wax on here, wipe it off, get a little sheen on there. See how that looks. Okay, so we got this left side fender all done. It looks fantastic. Looks wonderful. Look at the shine. Look at that shine on that fender, boy. Look at the reflection that you see. Then, of course, I told you we were going to hit the front end. Got that all nice and shined up. Here's the funny thing. This is a brand new front end, like I said, from LMC Truck. Look, there's already condensation. I'm serious. This front end hasn't been on here 6 months. And I don't even drive the truck that much. This front end doesn't have that many miles on it. But it looks fantastic. New Chevy emblem, OE, new lights, new bumper. All the bracketry under there is new. I did a video on all of this stuff. So yeah, like I said, the link is in the description below to the playlist. You can find all that stuff there. And then, of course, I did the right side fender, and it looks wonderful. I don't know this exact paint color. I wish I did, but it's a beautiful paint color. Here you can actually see some of the new hardware that holds the bumper on that I did. I changed out all that hardware. So okay, we've got the whole front end of the truck done. Let's do the doors. Let's do this door. Let's do the other door, and let's hit up the roof up there as well. Okay, here's the roof. The roof also looks really good, nice and clean. I don't neglect it, even though you can't really see it. I make sure to at least get up here and do the roof at least every other cleaning at the very least. All right, so there's the front half of the truck. It's all done. It looks fantastic. We still need to do the bed, so we'll do the bed, we'll do the tailgate, and then I want to wipe these brand new Vision D windows down. I think they're 17 by 8 Vision D windows. I have a video on those, but we'll do the bed, and then, well, actually, you know what? Yeah, we'll do the bed, we'll do the wheels, and then I want to go over the interior real fast. We'll wipe down the interior with that turtle wax stuff product, and we'll hit up the windows real fast. All right, tailgate looks fantastic, nice and shiny. New tail lights, got those a little while ago. Tail lights are new. All right, basically I've wiped down the whole truck. Everything looks great. Did all the body panels. I like to do things in sections, like I said. I like to have a wet towel and a dry towel. So all this looks good now. So let's clean these wheels. They're not really dirty, but you know, I always see black wheels. Everybody loves black wheels, but most of their black wheels, if you really start to look at them, they look horrible, most of them. So I'm on a mission to make sure that these Vision D windows never get like that. So they only have the very, very slightest bit of, just a little bit of dust on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock the dust off these wheels, and then we can do the windows and wipe down the interior, which will take a hot second. Okay, I've hit up the wheels. They look fantastic. And then I also went ahead and did the interior already. I used this turtle wax inside and out protectant. They say it's quick and easy, and it is pretty good. It's pretty thick. I put it on with an applicator. I did the doors. I did all the dashboard. You probably can't tell, but there's a little sheen on the dashboard. I did this center right here. I did the steering column, was really bad. I did the steering wheel, it was really, really dry. And so that looks a lot better now. So all I really need to do is hit up these windows really fast, and then we can put some air in the tires. This is a good looking old truck. I had to say it. I'm not just saying it because it's my truck. I'm saying it because it's true. This is an old truck. It's 26 years old, and it was just an old farm truck. Bought it for $1,000. It was all run down. I put a lot of love and time and money into this thing, and you know what? It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. There's a lot more I want to do. I just don't have a garage for it right now to get it in the shop and do all the other work I'm going to be doing, but I'm working on that. In the meantime, we just did a little bit of cleaning, and it looks pretty good. Let's pull it up and put some air in the tires now. Those parking lights look pretty good, don't they? Even with the condensation in there, they look pretty good. The truck, look at the shine on that thing. Look at the shine down there. Woo! It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, it's super nice. I like it. All right, so let's I'm gonna take all these caps off. I'm gonna take all these caps off, and then we're gonna get a tire reading. We're gonna get a pressure reading. So step one, I'm gonna get a pressure reading and see where all these tires are at. Looking at that one, it doesn't look too bad at all now, does it? Maybe, you know, I've never had a truck, so I don't know how truck tires are supposed to sit. Like I said, when I look at this one, it looks a little squishy down there, but maybe that's exactly how it's supposed to look. But one way to find out is see what kind of pressure it's holding. Let's see where it's at. Okay, so I've done all the tires. This is the passenger front tire. This tire is at 37. The tire that's in the back corner is all, I'm sorry, this tire is at 39. This tire is at 39. This tire at the back corner is also 39. This tire is 37, and the tire at the passenger side or the driver's side is like 38. I originally put 40 pounds in these tires, so they're down a little bit. So I'm gonna fire up that air compressor. We're gonna put some air in these tires. All right, so that thing's super loud, as you can tell. I'm gonna let it build up a little bit of air, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the hose and go ahead and put the appropriate 40 pounds of air in all 4 of these tires, and then we'll be done. Okay, guys, I think that's a wrap. We got air in the tires. Every tire now has 40 pounds or just a little bit more, 40 pounds or so of air in each tire. That looks good. That's where I like to keep them. These tires are these open range tires, all terrain. I got them from LaSchwab. They are 265/70 17s. Yeah, and so these are the Vision D window 17x8 wheels. And on the tire, it says you can put up to 51 PSI in these tires. So I've got 40 PSI in there. I think that's pretty conservative. That's why I like to run it. I want to run my tire a little bit harder. So yeah, other than that, I think we're about done. The truck looks fantastic. Like I said, it's 26 years old and it's all original and it looks really, really wonderful. Too bad the sun's not out today. Otherwise, you'd be able to see this beautiful reflective paint. Look at that shine. The Griots products just really deliver. This is a spray-on car wash, and look at the reflection of this paint. Original paint. It's super old, 26-year-old original factory paint on a Chevrolet. It looks fantastic. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing more videos on the truck. Also, make sure you watch the last video I did on my 2005 Volkswagen New Beetle Turbo when I had to take the seats out of this thing. Okay, on that note, we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot more videos of the truck, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.